Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel are in Dublin. Weather is getting crazy today. Really was rain, sun and heavy wind already, but I decided to go to Glendalough. Hopefully will be really nice and sunny and bright there, and I can show you lake and old monastery. That's my plan for today. Hopefully we can reach our destination very fast and the weather will be very nice. Before we going, I need to show you a very nice gadget what I bought like a week ago in TK Maxx. It's kind of vapour with without water, what is very good, and I'm using this in the car. You can put a battery on, you can charge by USB, but it's really cool. Smell amazing. I have a lemon and eucalyptus here, what actually make me breathing and driving really easy and very fresh, and I really like it. And it's no water here because I try with water first, but on a narrow street it was very difficult to keep this in one position, and actually everything around was with water and oil. But this is absolutely brilliant. This stuff have a name Sparrow. I bought in TK Maxx for I think 15 or 16 euro. Very small. You have an option with the light as well, but I don't want to really use the light because it looks like I have a Garda car, you know, with the flash on the front. Why second bottom is just no light. Smell is amazing. Inside it's kind of small pad. You just need to put oil on it, you're closing, and it's ready. Very easy, very cool. I will buy battery and I will keep with the battery as well, because sometimes I really need to charge my phone or something else, but I still won't have a smell. But I think it's super cool. All cars supposed to have this included, maybe somewhere inside, and have a really nice fresh air after. Completely changed my plan and my destination because I was in Glendalough, but it was super heavy rain and was difficult even leave the car. Now I'm in a beautiful, fabulous Kilmacuragh Botanic Garden, and how you can see, beautiful blue sky and beautiful landscape. Let's walk around. you can see weather getting crazy today. It was super sunny, now it's rain again. The same situation like in the Glendalough half hour ago. Why? That will be very short to walk around the Kilmacuragh because you can see the blue sky, the black sky, typical Irish weather, but getting very stormy. Third spot today, and it was okay for a few seconds, but now it's raining again. What a weather, Jesus! I was in Glendalough, in Kilruddery, and now Glendalough, Kilmacuragh, and now I'm in Kilruddery. But the rain catching me actually right now. Place looks amazing after lockdown, after coronavirus. They do lots of changes. Everything is really impressed. The shops, I want to go to coffee shop. Wow, really amazing.